Dr. Kiza Besigye has been hospitalized, and several sources have confirmed. Mainstream medias like NBS and NTV have posted, and then online publications like Nile Post have also posted, and then also independent media houses also have confirmed. And information coming also indicates that security around the hospital where Kiza Besigye has been taken is so tight. And another thing that has just come in is a statement, official statement from the president of Uganda Law Society, that is Isaac Ssekaana, who is allegedly abroad. Many speculation coming that maybe he's planning to exile himself, or he went for a business reason. So for immediate release, Judge Dr. Douglas Singiza is responsible for Dr. Kiza Besigye's situation. Kampala, Uganda, February 17, 2025. The Uganda Law Society, ULS, does not typically comment on active cases conducted by its capable members. However, we are compelled to address the pressing matter of Dr. Kiza Besigye's alleged unlawful detention, despite a recent Supreme Court judgment nullifying the trial of civilians in military courts. The Supreme Court's decision in Attorney General versus Honorable Michael Kabaziguruka Constitutional Appeal 2 of 2021 unequivocally nullified the provisions in the Uganda People's Defense Forces Act that created offenses under which Dr. Kiza Besigye and other civilians were charged. Consequently, there is no trial to transfer to civilian courts, and the Director of Public Prosecution has no basis to take over case. Dr. Kiza Besigye is therefore entitled to immediate and unconditional release. Regrettably, High Court Judge Dr. Douglas Karekona Singiza has arbitrarily denied Dr. Besigye's habeas corpus petition an expeditious hearing, contravening the Constitution and law. This is not an isolated incident, as Judge Singiza has also denied an expeditious hearing to a similar petition by the ULS on behalf of its member, Advocate Aaron Kiza. It is axiomatic that habeas corpus applications take precedence over all other business of the court. Judge Singiza's conduct is particularly troubling given his history of sanctioning human rights abuses, including the torture of Kakwenza Rukirabashaija, which led to the latter's exile. Accordingly, we urge the judicial leadership to take immediate action to address this grave injustice, including reviewing Judge Singiza's conduct and taking disciplinary action against him for his blatant disregard for the law and human rights. The international community must also hold Uganda accountable for its human rights obligations and ensure that justice is served. Assuming Anthony, Vice President, Uganda Law Society, but it was posted via Isaac Ssekaana. Isaac Ssekaana is the one who shared, but the official document was written by the Vice President by the name Assume Anthony. Thank you.